We've just acquired this rare looking, beautiful BMW 1 Series. It's got a lot of extras to it as well. I'll come to this in a minute, but it's featured this beautiful orange. It's got park distance control. It's the 116D. Boot area is in lovely condition. Full black leather, that's very rare on a 1 Series. It's also got come to it in a minute. Satellite navigation. It's got 3-stage heated seats. Some 92,603 miles on the clock. It's got Bluetooth, satellite navigation, full media pack, radio, air conditioning, 3-stage heated seats, different ways of driving it. It's got an aux and a USB, multifunction steering wheel. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.